Good morning everyone. My name is Priyanka and kids, we are going to study science today and this is for class 2nd. Okay, this is for 2nd class. And today our topic, what are we going to study today? The name of our topic is uses of plants. Okay, we will study about the uses of plants. That means how are these plants useful to us? Okay, what does this plant gives us that make them useful? In this chapter, we will study the different uses of plants, the food, the fiber, so many things that plants gives us. We will study about it. Okay, so let's move towards the content. What are the contents of this chapter that we will study? Let's see that. Okay. So kids, what are the contents that we will study? We will study about plants that gives us food. Okay, the different parts of the plant that we eat as food. Then we will study about the plants that gives us oil. Then plants that gives us medicine. What are the different kinds of plants that gives us medicines? Okay, then the plants that gives us fibers. Fibers means the fiber that is used to make clothes. Okay, and those fibers, those are obtained from plants. That means plants gives us fiber also. Then plants gives us paper, rubber and gum. Okay, plants also gives us wood. Then plants gives us soap, toothpaste and perfumes. Okay, how are these soap, toothpaste and perfumes made from plants? Okay, so we will study about all this topic in this chapter. Understood? So let's start with the plants that gives us food. So now kids, let us start with the plants that gives us food. Okay, plants gives us food or not? From where do we get our food? We get our food from plants. Yes? So see what it is written there. The different parts of the plants gives us different kinds of food. We eat different parts of the plant. Plants have got different parts. Yes or no? What are the different parts of the plant? Those are root, stem, leaves, flower and fruit. Yes or no? These are the different parts of the plant. And these different parts gives us different kinds of food and we eat the different parts of the plant. Okay, we eat the root, stem, leaves, flowers and seeds of a plant. Okay, what do we eat? We eat the root, we eat stem, flower, fruit, leaves and the seeds of a plant. Okay, different kinds of food it gives us. Understood? And we also get vegetables, fruits, cereals and pulses, tea, coffee, cocoa, sugar and spices from plants. These are the different things that we get from plants. We get vegetables, we get fruits, we get cereals and pulses. Okay, then we get tea, coffee, cocoa, then sugar and spices also from plants. Understood? We will study elaborately about the different kinds of food that we eat. Okay? So these are the different kinds of food that we get from plants and we also eat different parts of the plant as different kind of food. Understood? So kids, now we will study about the different parts of the plant that we eat. Okay, we eat different parts of the plant as I have already told you. We eat the root, the stem, the leaf, flower, fruits, seeds of a plant. Yes or no? Then what are the stem part of the plant that we eat? The stem of the plant that we eat, some examples of the stem of the plant that we eat are potato, ginger and sugarcane. Okay, These are the stem part of the plant that we eat, like potato, ginger and sugarcane. Okay? Then in roots, what are the parts of the plant that we eat as root? What are the different food that we eat as root? That is carrot, radish and turnip. Okay, those are carrot, radish and turnip. These are the different kinds of food that we eat as root of a plant. Okay, this carrot, radish and turnip are actually the root of the plant. Understood? These are called as root of the plant because they grow inside the soil. That is why they are called as root of the plant. Though this potato and ginger also grow inside the soil, but these are not root. These are considered as stem. Okay, and sugarcane is already a stem because it does not grow inside the inside the soil. Okay, then flowers. What are the flower part that we eat as food? For example, like cauliflower and broccoli. Okay, the vegetable cauliflower and broccoli are actually the flower part of the plant. Okay, the vegetable that we eat, cauliflower and broccoli, are actually the flower part of the plant. Okay, then leaves like cabbage, lettuce, spinach. You eat cabbage, right? You can see in the picture, it is given there below. Then lettuce, then spinach. These are what? These are the leaf part of the plant that we eat. Okay. Then comes the seed, the corn, the groundnut. These are what? These are the seeds of a plant, the corn. Okay. Then groundnut, beans, then groundnut, peas, all these things are what? These are the seeds of a plant. Okay, so these are the different parts of the plant and different kind of vegetables and fruits and that we eat as food from plants. Okay, and what? Plants gives us food. Understood? So now students, plants also gives us fruits and vegetables. Okay, we studied about the different parts of the plant that we eat. Yes or no? And now those food are divided into fruits and vegetables. From where do we get fruits and vegetables? We get fruits and vegetables from plants. Yes or no? Plants gives us fruits and vegetables. Okay. The apple, banana, orange, mango, then papaya, strawberries, watermelon, grapes, peach, then kiwi, so many fruits are there. Yes or no that you eat? From where do you get? We get from plants. Then vegetables like tomato, carrot, potato, cabbage, capsicum, chili, peas, spinach, ladyfinger, onion, brinjal, so many vegetables are there. All these vegetables we get from plants. Okay. Please pay attention to the names that I am saying of the vegetables and fruits. Okay. Now, so these are the things that we get from plant as food. And we eat different parts of the plant as food. Okay. So students, now comes the cereals and pulses. Okay. We also get cereals and pulses from plants. Now what are cereals and pulses? What do you mean by cereals and pulses? Plants which produce grains. Okay. The plants that produce grains that can be eaten is called as cereals. Okay. The grains of the plant that can be eaten, those grains are called as cereals. For example, rice, wheat, maize, barley, rye, oats, etc. These are the different kinds of cereals. The grains of the plant that we eat as food. Okay, and these grains are grinded to make flour. Okay, these grains are grinded to make flour. Okay, see the rice that we eat, those are what? Those are the grains of the plant. Okay, then the chapati that we eat, it is made from what? It is made from wheat. WHEAT, wheat. And this wheat is a grain of the plant. Okay. Then what are pulses? What do you mean by pulses? Pulses are the seeds of certain plants that can be eaten as food. Okay. Pulses are the seeds of some plants that can be eaten, which are called as pulses. Okay. See, like the beans, the kidney beans, okay, the peas, these are what? The pulses. The lentils, all these things are what? These are the seeds of a plant that we eat. Okay, and what are the examples of pulses? Those are beans, gram, peas, kidney beans, etc. Okay. So these are the seeds and grains of the plant that we eat as cereals and pulses as food, and these are obtained from plants. Okay, the fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses are all obtained from plants. Then now students come tea, coffee, cocoa and sugar. The tea, the coffee, cocoa and sugar, from where do we get? We also get these things from plants. The tea and coffee that we drink are obtained from coffee plant and tea plant. Okay, and this cocoa is used to make chocolates. The chocolate that you eat, it is made from cocoa, and this cocoa is obtained from the cocoa plant. Okay, and the sugar that you eat, it is obtained from sugar cane. Sugar cane, the juices of sugar cane is used to make sugar. Understood? Sugar is made from sugar cane. Okay, and the coffee that we drink, it is obtained from coffee plant. The coffee beans of the coffee plant are plucked and dried, and later on it is made into coffee powder that we drink. Okay, then the tea that we drink, it is obtained from the tea plant. The tea leaves of the tea plant are plucked and dried, and later on it is turned into the tea. Okay, then cocoa is obtained from cocoa plant. Can you see the picture of cocoa? It is used to make chocolates. This cocoa is used to make chocolates. Okay, so these are also the different kinds of food that we get from plants. Tea, sugar, coffee, cocoa, okay, cereals, pulses, vegetables, fruits. All these things are obtained from plants. Then now students comes the spices. Okay, what do you mean by spices? Spices are usually a dried seed, fruit, root or bark of a plant. What are spices? Spices are the seeds that are dried up. The fruit, the seeds, the root and the bark of a plant. Bark means the stem portion of the plant that is dried up. Okay, these are called as spices, and these spices are used to add flavor to our food. These spices are used to add flavor to our food. Okay, the spices give flavor to our food. Understood? For example, like cinnamon, cardamom, clove, black pepper, turmeric, all these things are what? These are called as spices. Okay, and these spices are usually the dried seed, fruit, root or bark that is used to add flavor in our food, so that our food becomes very tasty and delicious. That is why we add spices in our food, and these spices are also obtained from plants. Okay, and the examples of some spices are like cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, okay, then black pepper. Understood? Cardamom means elaichi, long, this cloves means long, that we eat. Okay. Now students, plants also gives us oil. Okay. The oil that we use to cook food, it is obtained from where? It is obtained from plants. The oil that we apply to our hair, that is also obtained from plants. Okay. We get oil from the seeds or fruits of plant. From where do we get oil? We get oil from the seeds and fruits of a plant, such as mustard, coconut, sunflower and olive. These are some plants that gives us what? This gives us oil. Okay. The seeds and fruits of these plants gives us oil. Okay. We use oil mainly for cooking and for oiling our hair. Why do we use oil for? We use oil for mainly cooking. Yes or no? We cook food in oil. Yes, mustard oil, then sunflower oil, coconut oil. Yes or no? So we use oil mainly for cooking and also for oiling our hair. We also apply oil in our hair. Yes or no? So these oil are obtained from plants. Plants also gives us oil. Understood? You can see the picture. Sesame. These are the seeds of a plant. Sesame, mustard, then olive is the fruit of the plant. Okay. Then sunflower plant, mustard plant, then coconut plant. These are the plants that gives us oil. Okay. Students, plants also gives us medicine. Okay, we also get medicine. Some plants have medicinal use. Some plants are used as medicine also. Okay, plants such as neem, tulsi, clove, turmeric, brahmi, etc. are used to make medicine. Okay, some plants have medicinal use. Okay, and plants like neem, tulsi, clove, turmeric, brahmi, etc. All these plants are used to make different kinds of medicines. Okay, they have the medicinal effect. Understood? So plants also gives us what? It also gives us medicines. Understood? Now students, comes the fibers. Plants also gives us fibers. Fibers are actually the thread. Okay. Different kinds of thread that are used to make clothes. And these fibers are obtained from plants. The plants gives us fibers. Okay. We get different kinds of fibers from plants, such as cotton, jute, linen, etc. Okay. Then fibers are used to make clothes. The clothes that we are wearing, that is made from fiber, the thread. Okay. And these fibers are obtained from plants. Like cotton plant give us what? Cotton fiber. Cotton plant gives us cotton fiber. Then jute plant gives us jute fiber, that is used to make bags and ropes. Okay. Then flax plant gives us linen. The linen fiber is obtained from the flax plant. The name of the plant that gives us linen is flax. F-L-A-X, flax. Okay. So these are some plants that gives us fiber that is used to make clothes. Understood? These plants gives us fiber that is used to make clothes. Understood? And students, plants gives us paper, rubber and gum. Plants also gives us paper. So many trees are cut down to make paper. Yes or no? The paper, the book that you read, the copy that you write in, those papers are made from trees. Those papers are made from trees. Okay? Big trees are cut down to make paper. Then plants also gives us rubber. Okay? Then it also gives us gum. Okay, you know what is gum? Gum is used to paste something. Yes or no? So these are the different things that is obtained from plants. Okay, we get paper from plants that is used to make book, bags, etc. We get paper from the plants that is used to make book, bags, etc. These are the materials that is made from plants. The paper that we get from plants. Okay. Then plants gives us rubber that is used to make eraser, tires and pipes. Okay. Rubber is obtained from the juice of the rubber plant, rubber tree. Okay. Where do we obtain rubber from? Rubber is obtained from the juice of the rubber tree. Can you see the picture? The juice of the rubber tree is collected in a bowl and later on it is made into rubber. Okay, which is used to make eraser, tires, pipes, etc. Understood? Then plants also gives us gum. It also gives us gum. Can you see the picture? It is the gum that is obtained from plant. Plant also gives us gum that is obtained from the kikar tree. The tree that gives us gum. The name of the tree is kikar tree. K-I-K-A-R. Kikar tree. Gum is used to make glue. The glue that we use to make pages, that we use to paste some pages or something. Yes or no? In the art and craft activity, we use glue to paste something, and those gum is made from plants. And the name of the tree that provide us gum is kikar tree. K-I-K-A-R. Kikar tree. Okay. So plants gives us paper, rubber and gum. Okay. We use paper to make books and bags and etc. Then rubber is obtained from the juice of the rubber plant that is used to make eraser, tires and pipes. Then plants also gives us gum, and this gum is obtained from the kikar tree that is used to make glue. Okay. So now students, plants also gives us wood. Okay. Big trees are cut down to get wood. You know now what is wood? The big trees, the branches and the stem of the big trees are cut down to get wood. Okay, we get wood from trees such as teak, sesame and pine. Okay, these are some names of the trees that gives us wood, such as teak, then sesame and pine. Okay, these big trees are cut down to get wood, and this wood is used to make furniture, houses, boats, carts, etc. Okay, why do we use wood for? We use wood to make furniture, the table and chairs at home that you have. It is all made of wood, and this wood is obtained from plants. Okay. Then the windows at your home, the doors at your home, it is made up of wood. This wood is also used for making houses. Okay, the boats, the carts, etc. All these things are made using wood, and this wood is obtained from plants. And the name of the trees that gives us wood, that is teak, sesame, pine, etc. These big trees are cut down to get wood. Okay. Then students, plants also gives us soap, toothpaste and perfumes. Okay, the soap that we use to take bath, and the toothpaste that we use to brush our teeth, and the perfume that we apply, that is all made from what? These all are made from plants. Okay, we use juices and oils of certain plants to make soap and toothpaste. Okay, the soap and toothpaste that is used, it is made from the juice and the oil of some plants. Some plants that provide us oil and juice. It is used to make soap and toothpaste. That is why you get the fragrance, a good smell in the soap. Yes or no? It is made from plants. The oils and juices of some plants that is used to make soap and toothpaste. Okay. Flowers of plants such as rose and jasmine are used to make perfumes. The perfume that you apply in your body, it is made from the flowers of the plant. The flowers of the plant, the flowers that smell very good, those flowers are plucked and they are used to make perfume, so that it gives us fresh and good smell. Understood? So, what are the different kinds of things that plants gives us? Plants gives us food. Yes or no? We eat different parts of the plant as food, like root, stem, flower, fruit and leaves. Yes or no? What are the examples of stem that we eat? Those are potato, ginger and sugarcane. And root that we eat like carrot, radish and turnip. Yes or no? Then flowers like cauliflower and broccoli are the flower part of the plant that we eat as food. Okay. Then leaves like cabbage, lettuce and spinach. Okay, these are the leaves of the plant. Then seeds of the plant like corn, groundnut, peas, etc. These are the seeds of the plant that we eat as food. Okay. Then plants also gives us fruits and vegetables. The different kinds of fruits that we eat are obtained from plants, and the vegetables that we eat are also obtained from plants. Okay. Then the cereals and pulses, the grains and the seeds that we eat. The grains are called as cereals and the seeds are called as pulses. And these cereals and pulses are obtained from plants. Okay. Then comes the tea, coffee and sugar. The tea, coffee that we drink. Okay. And sugar, it is all obtained from plants. Coffee is obtained from coffee plant. Okay. The beans of the coffee plant are plucked and dried, and later on it is made into coffee powder. Okay. Then the tea leaves are dried. The leaves of the tea plant are plucked and dried to make tea. Okay. Then cocoa is obtained from cocoa plant that is used to make chocolates. Okay. And sugar is obtained from sugarcane plant. Okay. And the spices are the seed, are usually the dried seed, fruits, root or bark of a plant. Okay. That is used to add flavor in our food. It makes our food delicious. Okay. For example, like cardamom, cinnamon, then black pepper, clove, etc. Okay. These are some spices that is obtained from plants. Then comes plants that gives us oil. Plant also gives us oil. The oil that is used for cooking and oiling our hair. These oil are obtained from plants, the seeds and fruits of the plant. Okay, the oil are obtained from seeds and fruit of the plant like sesame, Then mustard, these are some seeds of the plant that gives us oil. And the plants like sunflower, coconut, mustard plant, olive oil, okay, these are all obtained from plants. Then plants also gives us medicine. Some plants also have some medicinal use. For example, like neem, tulsi, clove, turmeric, brahmi. These are some plants that has its medicinal use and is used to make medicines. Okay. Then plants that gives us fibers. The thread that is used to make clothes, those are called as fibers. And different kinds of plants give different kinds of fiber. Okay, like cotton is obtained from cotton plant. Then jute is obtained from jute plant that is used to make bags and ropes. Okay, then linen is obtained from flax plant that is used to make clothes. Okay, then plants also gives us rubber, paper and gum. Okay, the paper that we write, it is obtained from plant. Okay, the trees are cut down to make paper. Understood? And we get rubber from the juice of the rubber plant. Okay, and this rubber is used to make eraser, tires and pipes. Okay, then we also get gum that is used to make glue. And this gum is obtained from the kikar tree. The name of the plant that gives us gum is kikar tree. Okay. Then plants also gives us wood. Big trees are cut down to get wood. For example, like teak tree, sesame tree, pine tree, etc. And these wood are used to make furniture, houses, boats and carts. Okay. Then plants gives us soap, toothpaste and perfume. The soap that we use to take bath and the toothpaste that we use to brush our teeth. All these things are made from the juices and oils of certain plant. Okay, the juice and the oil that is produced from plants, this soap and toothpaste are made from these juices and oil of the plant. Okay, and some good and some plants that smell very sweet. The plants that smell very sweet, for example, like rose, jasmine. Okay, these are some plants that is used to make perfume that we apply in our body. Okay, so these are the things that are obtained from the plants. Okay, these are some useful things that plants gives us. I hope you all understood. So students, I will just give you few questions. You please try to do by yourself. Okay, try to find out the answer. It is very easy. Everything is written on the slide. You will find in the slide. Okay, in the next class, I will give you the exercises of this chapter. We will do the question and answers of this chapter. Okay, the exercise, the question answer part we will do. The exercises that you have in your book. Okay, in this chapter, we will continue with that. Okay, but for now, you please try to do these questions at home. I will give you 2-3 questions. You please practice this question at home. Okay. So students, these are some questions. You please practice these at home. Okay, you try to do this question in your copy. You please write down these questions in your notebook. You make one notebook for science, okay? I hope every one of you have made a notebook. So, what is the first question? What are the different parts of the plant that we eat? What are the different parts of the plant that we eat? I already told you we eat different parts of the plant. That is, the different parts of the plant that we eat are root, stem, leaves, flower, fruit and seed. This is the answer. Okay. The different parts of the plant that we eat are root, stem, leaves, flower, fruits and seed. Okay. Then what food does plant gives us? What food does plant gives us? Plants gives us different kinds of food. Yes or no? Plants gives like vegetables, fruits, cereals and pulses, tea, coffee, sugar, cocoa, etc. These are the different kinds of food that is obtained from plants. Okay. Then why do we use oil for? What do we use oil for? We use oil for cooking and oiling our hair. Yes or no? We use oil for cooking and oiling our hair. Okay. Then name some medicinal plant. Write the name of some medicinal plant like neem, tulsi, clove, turmeric, brahmi. These are the name of some medicinal plant. Okay. Then which tree give us gum? Which tree give us gum? What is the name of the tree that gives us gum? That is kikar tree. K-I-K-A-R. Kikar tree give us gum. Okay. So these are some questions. You please practice it at home. In the next class, we will do with the exercises of this chapter. I will give you the exercise, the question answers that you have in your book. Okay. So till then, students, take care of yourself and study well at home. Okay. See you again in the next class.